morning, country people are throwing a big salute for us today. Another edition for country meeting will get for takes time for Chakara today and for discuss all the small trouble, all the news they will on the show from Monday to Friday. Today na day we go for shit for one round table for struggle for see how we fit bring solution for all these accidents we don't take such what happen for people that don't die for inside house for wrong on the way don't make picking and they break for no go school even carry down papa they see fear for us for Southwest for takes time for send that beginning for school me to go take time for see how they fit gain the small education for that time for Kwakwa village. Plenty people there don't lose their life, both Kitu with even civilian them. Why all this one they happen? We go more Chakara for inside this story today. For that side for Chang accident. 21 per sleep train like a roller. 38 is there for Wasapita. Talk of 5 will come out, no one know for the skin. Now see that one they pray pass other one them. Or why they come out for inside the ask the way they don't get no wound. Go more Chakara. So for talk about story where one white man, one black woman die for some village. For Chang, we will call them photo. Why they die? Na Chako kill them. Na evil spirit where they say if they follow that woman, I kill them. What happen? For inside this story, we not two one for house. We not fit call give no condition for talk. What we not think say if you make these people them they solo that best people for that side. We go talk to about for Guzang for inside Batibo, woman born in Pekin disappear for bed. Why? And why this kind of thing it gave for happen for country? From that side we go Bamenda. Another Gonderi, born Pekin, put her inside Mukuta back, pass her inside cartoon, bring her for Kangia for boyfriend. Boyfriend too, na driver, he run Douala Bamenda road. He won't come, he knock door, boyfriend don't travel. He just put the carton for front door. Never they woke up for morning time. They see that picking way, they don't solo investigative care. Why all this one for the happen for country? We go more Chakara the Tori for inside Tori for today. From that side too, we go Chakara Tori for talk about some young man to enter bus for common Babusam, come for Douala here, start for inside moto, he start begin speaking tongues. The manifest, the do thing, driver say, hey, you want to for inside Mamatua. He park for that side for Banja. Carry the man go time for gendarmerie, from gendarmerie, so nobody can go for Wasapita. They want call the first number they call and papa answer person no, no carry go time for Wasapita. He did so na palava spirit and he come on for maximum for that side way if they don't for worker for pastor to pastor to go through for talk about all the things that happen for inside your country. Palava chief, Babutam, judicial police don't do fine work, they catch 2 boys for that side where they don't prepare for go do. That even they catch all their material gun, cutlass, all kind of things for that side. We'll take next time when I see and we'll talk about them. For Bafia, na man thief taxi, Misatala thief taxi for that side for Babusam. They want pass through Bafia for bring her for West region for here. What it takes to happen. Now for the way police they put Malambi for you, if one for trap one time, owner for taxi don't come back and take a taxi for that side. Mr. Okochuku, Nigerian businessman for that side for Yaoundé. They met up in body for back in moto inside his own compound. We don't sleep till like a ruler. Why they kill him? Big question mark. Countryman, to read it. As we not say this so every Saturday, no na me one I dey always coordinate this program because I dey work with una dey for una dey see me. Una too una fit call for give una own contribution. Talk to una fit say this so the fit do. Even though to tashe for Donga Mantum, it don't take size of my woman hand where I go turn make it to be on good morning. Good morning, Tashe.
Good morning, Mike. I dey salute country people then always the wide way for country meeting for this day. And I salute for people for Donga Mantum, fun from Kambe, fun for Mwa, fun for Ako, all then I salute them all. And I salute my family where they for Bafusam, they watch me.
Will they watch you now? Okay. I turn now for opposite you now, man of God. To read it. Man of God, welcome.
Thank you, sir. Good morning. Yeah. I salute all who they watch this program, who they follow this program. I salute most especially all the servants of God, all the Christians all over the world, and everyone we believe in the Most High God. I say, may una follow the program. May God bless una as una they suggest. Those solving the
we
problem.
struggle for seeing how we go solve this problem. Thing wey dey happen, because if thing dey happen, if we no discuss am, we no talk am, who go talk am? Even governor dey for outside there, dem say they should not for watch am for year thing wey people dey think about am for thing wey dey take happen. But anyway, dey Rolando na the press button for say una take see my eye. This morning time, me will take una go out for Batibo, for Gusa. For that side, for that health center, on that side, na pikin loss for Wasapita. One time, Laurent, if you get email for that side for Gusa Health Center, where it is so, man carry a woman go out for Wasapita. You one day for night, where the nurse do na how, on a mago, on a complicity, you know, say now before the tip begin, in the way yesterday, so you don't partner true nurse them, because when I see all patients don't come stand outside, the man don't make noise, Wasapita, so they don't go chook needle for 1 mile yes until they move the begin. Until the beginning they come out, time when Shandan they reach for that side, they catch all the nurses they will be there in duty, carry a one time, go look up for brigade for that side, then they stop for brigade for back to go, they struggle to see how they do their own investigation. Now for inside the room to where the woman is still with the picking, so as if you over labor, then power not be there for skin, so sleep hoy, time when sleep hoy, that time when it picking disappear. I say, Tashe, just imagine say your woman not born. You want reach for morning time, so me you can't see picking, or you can't with your friend and they take so picking, they didn't see picking. How you go feel?
I will feel really bad. Where woman don't carry picking for 9 months for belly, this trouble so they born, picking disappear.
Yeah.
So the girl for who knows them, me they talk true. Because some different person nothing can enter, so picking loss. So knows them suppose talk true.
So me we put casting for next and yeah they go talk through. Carry now, they never talk nothing. So man of God, what do you if you tell the public, or what do you if you tell just imagine listen na people na Christian from your church, they clear you that kind of complaint. How you go handle them?
Well, I want first of all condemn all act of theft. I want to say that thief no fine at all. And I know say if we want to blame only the nurse them. I know hospital get authorities and they're supposed for even deploy security agents where they go take the task of securing all man way in the enter and come out for hospital. So I think say the government and the hospital get to work in that area of security also.
But what if you make am before another human being come up for what if man your own picking carry am go down? What if you be the cause now? They want to do na rituals?
The lack of the fear of God. I think say person way it did to that extent of theft, na person way in the fear God at all. Yeah. So if it do many other things the way the evil one they do, like rituals, just as you just explained, and if you do like that, even as an act of wickedness, maybe jealousy, the person way don't born a picking, so they maybe want punish you for any way.
Okay, if you be been about Douala or Yaoundé, Minister of Health, no for don't come out stand with more television talk. But since as it about small village for Batibo for Batibo, they never hear that one. So tell you know, yes, Oga governor for the Northwest, you know what talk, even Geo said for that side, no man never even talk. But why it be say when something happen for big towns, it be easy for people to comment. But when they for interior village, they just neglect them. Or not say the people don't get money. Oh, now you did for that side. And what you make away authorities them. They need to feel try for if na for Douala, yeah. Either governor for don't come for that side for tell the family no one come. Now the man they make noise for hospital block say they don't work for hospital before Jana they carry the nurse and go down. Est-ce que a thing again for the happen so if they not equal right, they don't get for the taking and equally.
Thing what fit on and say the administrator them for Batibo. Normally job be get for B for day for see thing where they happen. As Janan the day so due for day, at least for due for explain some kind of thing then for the population for day. But due no day, SDO said no come for day, governor no come for day.
No man work can na the party na the lady work as so problem.
So it be say me administrator they woke up for sleep.
They woke up for sleep. Administrators una woke up for sleep. Roland, just make sure mo carry una go turn up for that side for Chang. We so act thing will happen for that side. 21 people then die, 38 in the for Wasapita. Where this bus will one go down that hill, a speed of a double, then one time, wait it takes happen, bus Chakara, we don't even get number plate, motor no bus alias no agency, they don't feel normal way get them because they never make matriculation number. you don't get say mark plate. They don't even know the owner. They don't even know who get the boss. They don't know who buy them. They don't know where and how the boss will enter Cameroon. But police, gendarme, control all the road. They take that 500. They take 500, and the boss even carry overload. In the work of the street, you see how I'm just the day. Now we go on that for West Africa from Kwazu. He take it to Koro, I then run go for that side. We make sure the procureur they dey for that side. For at least take stock. At least that one it motivated no the authors into the day for that bag. Eh? But this one now so they go blame na the gendarme police all the way they dey for roads. Or they go blame na the driver when they run the road. Or they go blame say they saw the motor, you know, be pass through visit technique, you know, get no paper. This one. We brother don't die. People don't lost plenty lives on them because even for Douala, people the cry say, oh, my brother be there motor. Oh, this incident. Oh, they say sometimes if he die. Man of God, what did they happen for our nation? Why all this thing happen?
Not carelessness, and just as you talk say they go blame now who them. Yeah. I think say they go start to blame even the driver. They blame the authorities, the administrators. They're supposed to check the highway and the road users. They're supposed to blame all of them, but because they get a level of negligence, they don't live, even as you talk about this act of bribery and corruption. On highway, so they be very careless about the people, their lives.
Mr. You want to go for shoot direct for Minister of Transport?
Yes.
And even Oga Kwata Jambo people can be man for gendarme them. What did they do? Because that people don't know that I say when they put any gendarme for road owner, I only say either take his own small money, any man, and you see any man, you go for committee event, any man want be in a section for control. You go to say when you go to control, small money will enter on that side. So Timothy, what do you talk about this accident where it takes such a
accident for Cham, blame they go for the driver and they blame the passenger there. Because our country people they don't like for get patient, for go for agency. You can't see and someone they know they go for agency, they go stand for breaking the motorway. But you can't see motor
check. Wait, my action check.
Yes.
Governor don't call you say I get meeting where they start in 2 hours. You go for agency, you go not 3 hours one travel.
Now one thing that you wear the key with.
Yeah.
Patient, not there. Not get patient. Not get patient for life. Because it says people where they don't can't take that motor. Play no day, Sema play no day. You no nothing, not be agency.
Yes.
They go back.
Authorities then they for that side, they just say those governors, gendarme, police, all the force and all the way government put them. They are in place, they are there to protect civilians. No mean I see civilian are not there for protect itself. The people that government put them, they record our salary every month for bank on taxes, say they don't pay that for protect we. Now they expose our life. How we blame ourselves?
And to that motor be part of play for control.
Yeah, part of play for control. They don't call away there for line when you because that will never that type of protect we know. Eh? I don't know they for line.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning. Now they call. Yes.
One the driver.
Yes.
On the program over like time.
Yeah.
Secondly again now, when you were so certain one on invited talk not correct.
Yeah.
How you gonna say governor pay 2 hours time you go there office? It need you. Down for left and for die, which one you prefer?
Yes.
Go left for the meeting, down for reach for road, and for day. But I think they contributing for making people left.
Yes.
That thing over there start for road the west private motor. Get private motor where you want to have to go in the area. Maybe the man just you never go in one hour to go now. You can't start for going in one hour. You don't know you. But if agents when you want to take they don't already tell me. Not the demand there to it be capable
for on that road.
Exactly. So yeah, you know you must have because you not just they take us today. Make it good one. They already know say they already get different driver. You go like 3 or 4 workers to give you to you go. You start for the off station now. Just drive them because you hear me. Money for chance, you don't go on that cabin. Who now long?
And the family Lord, thank you. Okay. Thank you plenty for your own contribution for that side. But I live because therefore for struggle for educate and for making people know because normally the authority they don't say they don't want clando. But why they not go stop that clando for say make it be make they cancel them? You go for wrong point for Douala here, you see all man stand up for the final. Go for Bunaberi, you see all man stand up for corner road for say so you want take na clando, the way they go quick now. But agents the way they go quick now, they from that so go. I don't know how they for line. You will take another call away, take side before inside the one for give your own contribution because all this one, if the authorities they do their work, at least all this one there, it nobody happen. When they say control the road, make it do a work better way. Any man the road it is struggle for doing it until. But any idea, me will take style. Roland, bring me images them for this bus for Phoenix. Where it load for agency. Come on say they go for Yaoundé, he want reach for Kanyabasi. Na in that na fire catch. But thank God say so the driver detected so motor get some problem. As they park motor for Kanyabasi, move all passenger, put am for other motor say me take side, begin take road for go Yaoundé. Then technician come say he wan work for day. He not make 20 minutes. People they just see that fire, smoke all over. Technician try to work for that side. He just slice like an okra. He disappear. Boss catch. Thing we wonder people for Kanyabasi na say so. Kanyabasi and Goji na neighbor. We na 5 minutes drive for semi firefighting brigade they reach for that side. They take 1 hour for carry reach for that side. Maybe strong number. Mo tell you all call already for line. Hello now for line. Hello now the call. Hello? Mr. Timothy, what do you if you talk for this kind of thing? Now bad technician. Now who company not maintain a motor fine? Who if we blame enough for this one? Firefighting brigade until they take 1 hour before they want reach. But time will say they even come so small water day because on that day they carry your motor. They say they find whole way they want tap water for corner road.
For this one, we should blame technician for the company.
Yeah.
Because they belong no and tango say driver belong signal before passenger then come out. If passenger then not for come out,
Yeah.
problem for B. So thank God say they don't signal before passenger then they come out. And 2, if they for check the motor well for agency, they for check the motor well for agency, not for B so. So thank God say passenger then no manual loss like and fighting brigade them.
Yeah, firefighting brigade
Yeah,
they come late.
they come late. Whether
When I get for corner Goji and
when I for corner, you not even far.
Yeah.
So I know they understand. Say me this fighting brigade they me they hook up for sleep because always they come late.
Oh,
they
they
always
late.
come late.
This one it really be aching and shocking so for people that for standing how boss will shine it clean. Because you hear somebody say, I don't want to go enter me old motor because say sometimes that old motor will fail me for road. Now motor is shine so it just turn a catch fire. All this one motors all call already for line we want to give you own contribution. Hello now the call. Hello? Yeah, now they for line. Genesis from Edia, what you want to give as your own contribution? Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
And now you see police they come, they really take similarity. They reduce kind of correct their own share and they able to go. Driver do the back, carry every country for the back of the tourist like a power.
Yeah.
They go down. All that one so now so now the come all my cars to see what.
Okay, thank you plenty for your own contribution for that side for a day. More take side, man, go what if you talk about this kind of take your eyes here. So how boss it starts to catch became born for broad daylight.
For this one, I feel blame the company because the company and their technician that they supposed to check the motor, confirm say the motor go fit, take
Waka.
on, yes, go fit work and reach the destination and even beyond. So I be very sure say they no be check and a driver only discover a fault when he don't kick off. Yes. And thank God say he discover the fault.
If not, for yesterday, so people that can't run one for inside motor, mu tell you so other color waiting for line. Hello? Hello, now the line. Yeah, now the call. Tume Romeo Brown from Bawusan. What you want to give us your contribution?
I think it's going to say all two really happen now, so now the end time done in here.
Yeah.
So all the two come on and they will put up prayer. Because Bible says we talk about when the end time go on reach, you will see plenty kind of fake pastors, fake churches, and you will see earthquake, and you will see brother will fight against brother who plot. You will see things that will happen against nation. All two will happen now. Cameroon already shows the end time done in here. And because of which Cameroon not left the day when he intervened for Cameroon. The Cameroon government not left the day when he intervened. And whether all these things that happen for Cameroon, so all those things are signs.
Okay. Thank you for your own great contribution for that side for Bawusan. Pastor, you agree?
Well, not true. Now the signs for the end time.
Signs for the end time. Roland, press another big button for that side. Me continue take that two. I go for that side for Bamen that will talk about woman make corner law with him record. Who somehow they require for that side. Bamen that say Emma na driver they drive some bus, the picnic bus they run Douala Yaoundé. Emma run she don't for house on day. He want see this Monday they can't give convocation. Say he don't give belle. Emma say this, I don't know me you, I don't know me that para belle. Emma don't marry a woman. A woman don't go holiday for village with the picking and sit at Palava school and till be they fine. So they don't go village. He doesn't say Emma don't remain call on cash. Emma want look and see small go there. He held the skin for them. Belle don't enter. Emma they deny they run the belle. They get on for bring convocation from chef the quartier. So Emma you don't give me belle. Emma say gang. I don't know that they go judge that case for chef the quartier say Emma win case. They can go again for women empowerment center. He go bring another convocation for this. So now Emma don't give belle. Since that time Emma no be don't go respond to that other one. As now Emma way they travel the one kind of they come left and that other one. Emma don't travel now for night. They 1 year around 12 o'clock, the year for dog cocoa. And neighbor then woke up, they talk the year for dog cocoa. Emma woke up, take your parcel. No man know their house. They get a knock to they come on go. Neighbor they woke up for morning time, they see a cartoon for dog. They call landlord. Say, oh, landlord to come on, cartoon there for a mind door, and the owner 1 year and go there, they knock the door. They won't open that cartoon, they see that picking way, he don't die for inside cartoon. Judicial police they come for that money, they be waiting me. Emma come before Emma go struggle enough for giving him for them go the way you don't do them. Wait to happen, the pikin don't die and die. On a wait to really bring up. Man of God, with this kind of thing, how if you solve it? They go blame this man.
It be sad say the pikin don't die. Well, I would advise say me that girl take a pikin, raise the pikin, even if the pikin party deny the pikin. But the girl don't do bad thing. Say you don't expose the pikin to some heart condition that maybe cause the pikin is dead. But even so, I think say make the Emma meet with the girl and make the settle the peace. Yes.
But how do you settle peace? A man don't marry girl with your own family. If your own woman you pikin them. Timothy. Just say like you now, so if that kind of thing, like how
you say when you go in, say if they will get.
You want to go chop soya again with another man?
No say.
When Bible don't deny that one.
No say you take responsibility. That a man begin for take responsibility. Make that pikin, make the woman, make the girl, he born fine. But now they run around. Say they run responsibility where it not be fine. So for me, a man not make fine. They give a cash a man.
Now, me say now they go for find a Kenyan for women for a man.
For a man, they go cash because you don't run your responsibility.
You don't run it. It means if you blame na a man, say either he never give the guest more money, make it try to take care for that pikin, where pikin don't allow die, or more tell you call away for line. I don't know how they call. I don't know how they for line. Yeah, now they for line. Now Vice President, okay, you didn't lie for Canada English, we have to want give your own contribution, but okay, we'll head back to you small time. We'll talk about this one. Okay, if you call, you give your own contribution, talk what do you think, if you blame na Emma for this palaver, this nonsense where he don't do they go blame na the girl for say it is so, whether he want born the pikin normally before the pikin die or not, get on born, kill the pikin, bring am, can't leave am for bring ballot for ye, and even woman too, why you want go in for some relationship, you know, so that man not married. You go in for pastor. If you tell the young girl, I don't know how to line. I don't know how to call.
Hello?
Yeah, now for line.
Roland is online from Batchable.
Roland from Batchable, go ahead with your own contribution.
Yes, my own contribution. I say, do like they don't do too bad. Because you don't kill the beginning if you can't get for a man. If the people say they are alive, a man will find the girl. Maybe they should not allow that matter. Now you don't kill the people can't live up. No need for a man to find the girl again.
Maybe just forget that.
Yeah, so no make the man tell the girl make the begin. The man just not the fit left for the first days, but after I go welcome the begin back.
Okay.
Yes, my own contribution on that.
Thank you plenty. Move tell her call a different line. I don't know how to line. I don't know how to call. Okay, Roland, more take side, come for that side, so for talk about this palaver thing. It takes side, so it happen for inside. This will contribute. We'll take side this time around. We'll take this other last caller for this subject for one control. I don't know how to line. I don't know how to call. Yes, go ahead with your own contribution.
My own contribution has said I get on to very fast. Because according to what I admitted, the man and the girl, they don't go for quarter head, they judge the matter and the quarter head see the man.
Yeah.
It means the quarter head don't look into the matter, I don't see the man hand inside the matter. So if the girl fit bring the stepchild, can't give up for the boy house, it's not correct. He wants to implicate the boy. So I think that will make a talk.
Okay, thank you for your contribution. Even though woman they never talk to this, so now only woman no true papa for pikin. I like pastor.
That's it they talk.
If you know the truth, I give better for woman.
Now only the girl will know the person will give belly. And one thing I blame that girl because you see small girl then they born their pikin.
Yeah.
Maintain the pikin so they grew up. Then ye prefer say whether now you don't kill the pikin or whether the pikin don't die or nothing no. So it be girl for take patient. Forget about it, man. Make it pikin grow.
Make it pikin grow for better. We'll take this other call out. I don't know how to line. Yeah, now they call. Yes, what you want to get as your own contribution? Go ahead with your own contribution. Okay, thank you for your own contribution. So you go blame that girl. Maybe we'll take style, change topic this time around. Roland, bring we boss for Noblesse Voyage. We load for that side for Bafusam. It come for this side for Douala with passenger there. Some boy be there inside that bus. He just start manifest. They speak in tongues. The driver, all man, the fear for inside so that boy go die and die. Now the boy is so. So they take their boy telephone. They want call the first number and the boy papa answer. He said that the manifest like the pray and I pray until he. Now way the part so me don't carry go for hospital. Me they leave until he go stop. Then when the boy now he finish manifest do all kind of things. They don't carry go to for commandant for Janam post for that side for Banja. The boy talk to this so he be there quiet. Then if they go from church to church to church to church. That kind of they call a church prostitute. Today they for the church, tomorrow they for the church. All they say this so if they find miracle. So at the end I say don't go to the church. The pastor the 44 where he ring for saying this. So according to the testimony of the body, the pastor the 44 where he ring make it done for me be pastor. Where he deny say I think the manifestation that pastor don't come for in spirit. The 44 put the ring for your hand. That's where the body talk. So if you don't say team you don't over too much, you don't come on and go for Bible Sam. Go see make some man for that side. So they don't go down for go for wash that ballot for his skin for for inside traditional way. So, Pastor, you go for travel na Chakara way to for this kind one. What did it happen with now? Church is now the wrong place. People are not even confused which one be the right church to enter. It's going to say this. So today you there for the church, tomorrow you there for the church, after tomorrow you there for the one. Till the result I don't come. You don't work at all churches and now from that church now you don't go now constant now Mexican, Mexican. Now that one be the right one.
Well, two have we talk now say make people they no be confused. Jesus, they very ready for help the people. When the people they don't receive Jesus, they receive the spirit of Jesus inside of them, the spirit of God. It will give them that ability for discern. They go fit be able to differentiate good from evil, and this will help them with their choices. Them and Jesus go lead them, and it will protect them as well. It will guide them. Now, the reality, I say, for generation 2, you get a lot of things out there. You get the spirit of Antichrist, where they manifest like the false prophets or the false servants of God, and you get two fake servants of God. So you get the true servants of God as well. Now,
but the question we put a one for here for outside the answer. How do we identify true servant of God?
Now the spirit of God will help you identify the true servant of God, because the spirit of God is the spirit of truth, and
how do we acquire that spirit of
okay, it be very simple. Now, just for acknowledge and accept Jesus as your Lord and Savior. When you accept Jesus, He will come inside your heart. He will start stay inside you. He will live inside you, and He will guide you. Yes, He will direct you, such that when you reach for a place where no be a spirit day for day, Jesus himself go, yes, inside your heart, yes, inside your conscience. He will tell you, say, no be good place this. Now you talk about ye talking in tongues. I want to say the spirit of Antichrist, like the false spirit too. He get all of these things that they manifest even inside occultism, like talking in tongues, like that. So these things they don't plenty, such that even they don't camouflage themselves like inside some churches. Yes, but that notwithstanding, the spirit of God, they exist for guide everybody where he accepts Jesus.
Okay, we'll take some 1 or 2 callers. They want to give their own contribution for like. I don't know how to line. Yeah, now the call. Yeah, now the line. Yeah, let's go ahead with your own contribution. Go ahead with your own contribution.
Yeah, what you mean I want to tell you about this church. Tell me, I tell you so. You look at that Glando no be only for photo. Glando to be a church. Glando be a business. Then when I emphasize only on moto, una stop Glando and moto. Oh, na every you will she don't ever do. You like for that Glando because they fast.
Yeah.
Glando no means the driver don't know how to drive. They just recklessness. Whether you go in for boss, recklessness, when you get accident, you enter playing international traveling. When accident occurs, and recklessness. Now, when you go to people and their businesses, like up license, like some of the businesses, whatever they get in school, churches, all and that Glando. The bottom line get in that Glando. So when we begin to pass only on Glando.
Okay, now we talk on Glando Church. Me, I have to feed you.
Yes, it's Glando. Okay, now this Glando Church is do now. What do we do that too? The government they proceed to it. How you think it's a true church? The Bible says when you read the Bible talk of road lead to destruction and cram road lead to life. How many people they repeat ever find that cram road? Now let's talk to many they go now for the road, now for the destruction they come. That's why we say Papa God. It gives freedom for everybody to make choice. Any man will go there, go to where he is against his own life. It is his problem. They should not judge anybody. You judge your own self because you get to pray for God. When you pray for God, you have a good teacher. Ask, he will be given. When you knock, it will be open. So when that man don't fall, it is shame, it is the only one, it is the only one. Let him pray so that God will help you because God is there to answer everybody.
Okay, thank you for your own contribution for that side for Limbe. Mo tell you call for line. I don't know the line. I don't know the line. Yeah, now the call.
Hello?
Yeah, now the line.
Yeah, Romeo said that to me, bro, from Babuja.
Go ahead with your own contribution.
Romeo to me said that, bro, from Babuja.
When you call, we not listen with through your telephone, just listen with through your phone. It will be easy for say this so move communicate and people will feel fine for house. I don't know the line.
Hello?
Yeah, now the call.
Yes, Madam Felicia from Mansi.
Yes, go ahead with your own contribution, Madam Felicia.
Felicia from Mansi.
Go ahead with your own contribution.
Yes, I just talk say, this church palava they do. Yes, this church palava they do. When you make up your mind for follow God, is one God. God is still reflected to lead you to the real church.
Madam Felicia, when you call, not listen with through your television, just listen with through your phone. It will be easy because people in one year thing way you want to talk about. You may the first go for satellite before come back for you, so it will be more tell call. I don't know the line. I don't know the call.
Hello?
Yeah, now the call.
Yes, Mr. Emmanuel, one boy at the call.
Yes, Mr. Emmanuel, go ahead with your own contribution.
Yes, my contribution, I say, all the men of God, they talk about the false prophet. Now we're not going to elaborate, but the people who be the false prophet. I don't know why all the devil, they come like inside church, because when children are saying, if a man don't work up and down from one church to the other, so other man go put you in the so other people for society. Even for living for Vatican today, homosexuality, so we don't know what they believe for church. They call Jesus. For me, I believe they make Jesus go to face. His neighbor Palestinians, them, before we Cameroon and they were looking like Jesus for Savior. Because we, the Savior for ourselves, we forgot about that too much Jesus and bless the church in the way they can't any pastor will tell you about false prophecy, a false prophet, false this. It doesn't make any sense. They are the evil of the world today. Because there's no true church, and at the same time, let Jesus go save the never Palestinian first. Before you can't save those Cameroonians, they will be wise and forget to call the fucking name. So I believe in tradition and the God of my tradition. We they know me and know them. No matter what the situation is.
Thank you for your own contribution. More tell you call I for I don't know the line. When you call, we not listen with through your TV. Like will be forced for call to take another person. Yeah, now the call.
Romeo to me, Brown from Babuza.
Yes.
Yeah, my own contribution is when I showed that boy no be possessed by the spirit of Tramo.
Tramol. Yeah.
And all that kind of things happen now, they talk about they sign at the same time for end time. So they ask me the older boy if I will talk before, so I don't take
Okay. Thank you for your contribution, Timothy. Where do you want to hear about your contribution, Tashe?
Yes, I want to say, church don't be, when you be baptized for one church, you're not supposed to change church because God they all side. Some when you see some people then, he day today with this church, he day today with this church, especially woman them. Some girl then they walk out church to church say they find man picking.
And their church prostitute, and they become church prostitutes.
Yeah, they not be fine. And when at the same God, church na church, and two as man of God talk. Plenty churches they don't come now, buy one then they good one then they when you walk as so. Some are famous they about some the sick. the pastor talk say wey be dey with church wey he go to some different church, he dey sick, they say me dey pray for you, they say me dey no go with you hospital, finally he die. Wey church dey be na say pray for person, me go hospital, me God take care for the rest thing. But they say me she don go ask pray, say God go heal for us, finally he die.
Pastor, what you fit talk for that kind of thing?
Well, I fit talk say no be all pastors dem be trained. Some pastors dem they be limited for their knowledge, and they exercise their own faith in different ways. Yes, but for that case, so their friend way is sick, some pastor will tell you say it be wrong for go hospital. I think say it not do well because
pastor for Deeper Life Church, National Overseer for Deeper Life Church Cameroon, Pastor Bernard Martin. I hear some what we talk today. So nowadays, plenty Cameroonians they don't know thing way they go church to go find them. So when they go church, they say they want to go find miracle. So when they go church, they say they want to go find deliverance. So when they go church, he the one that say he want to go find blessing for God. But what will be the main reason why if you carry man go church? According to you, we talk today. So if you go say you go seek the word of God, the other one they will follow you. Eh? But now all man the one that play where he goes to when Pastor Jagan so say ow, all man fall. He goes say yes, now for Jesus name. Eh? The skin are the way that they identify the true church.
Well, the people then just supposed for live a life where they go glorify God. They're supposed to acknowledge God. They're supposed to observe instruction. God don't command we say make we honor the Sabbath, make we go to church. Yes, He to go bless you.
He go bless you.
Yes. So for all that other secondary reasons, and people they don't even know why they get for go to church. Yes.
And most in our church they don't come for meeting people. They take style. You go from my church, you don't preach that deliverance. You go to other church, you only preach that prosperity. Enter to other church, they only preach that miracle. You will receive miracle money. You will receive miracle this one. At the same time, when you return people for us saying you must walk before you chop. Another pastor will preach today, so you fish it down, so miracle money enter your pocket before the miracle phone call come. So other one it make another people are confused. If you even make conception, you don't go work because it is through praying day and night, you will receive miracle money. No again when Jabbo they go play the ballet for corner road. No.
The Bible talks say faith without works is dead.
Yes.
If somebody they trust God not only in prayers and in they do any work, that person will get the full knowledge of the scripture. And I think say the pastor where they lead the people there is supposed to give them the full knowledge. Like that.
Hello? We'll take this other one way, they follow one give one call. But any idea, Roland, just can we go to that side for Chang, for some village, for this they call a photo. Some white man will come from France, here a woman, he married black woman. This black woman now picking for Chang, for some small they come for this photo. You know the thing where Candy they were born for church, they make incense, scratch too, so they don't bring her down, but don't come with a massa. For white man, they come from village, they can enjoy small kui for that side, chop to small yellow soup. Traditional, because they're the best, no? Because they for that side for white man, they don't chop the artificial food. They don't carry for village, for their compound. Roland make a me compare see that immediately to carry that diabetes for come out. For village, that woman has see evil spirit. It is sleep for night. So evil spirit, they work and follow you now. Before me say for church. They burn that thing for saying that me drive evil spirit. Now they were born for church, you know. It make us smell. It smells the other self. I'm not sure whether I'm really on top. That man, the first day he born for Sunday. Right? Can't forget that image for Chang for that white man and that woman where they take steps to die. He don't born for Sunday for daytime. When they for house, at least he try sleep small for daytime. He won't be now for night again. Now for Tuesday, he born and they want sleep. Where no day for sleep. When that charcoal or na evil spirit on our way to don't happen no. For morning time, they wait to me patron and mama they woke up, then they woke up. It won't be around 1 o'clock before the driver want go open door, he discuss say this so they don't die all day. Man of God. Now charcoal so it be very toxic, you know. Charcoal they kill you in less than 5 minutes. Now if we do that incense, don't kill them. On that evil spirit, the one driver now you don't can revenge. Oh now wait, what do you feel talk for that?
Well, I feel talk say somehow the charcoal get that power to kill them, because when charcoal the burn, it produce carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. And carbon monoxide, they compete with oxygen. It makes
it suck all oxygen.
Yes, it makes your blood no fit absorb the oxygen yes, into your system. Now, if it suffocate anybody and kill the person eventually. And just like you talk, evil spirit to get that same power. Like this woman, if you don't start get some experience like that, say evil spirit they chase you, they affect you like this. I think say the solution, the ultimate solution now, ye for take in to himself, accepting Jesus as a Lord and Savior. And when Jesus now dwell inside of you, it will be bigger than all of the evil spirit and out of the.
You mean say that thing when you go born them, you make a mistake for born them?
That thing too, if you don't contribute to their death, yes.
Because I knew they only can carry a die, but now they only go time where authorities for town, they can see them. You see this one are really wonderful. I'm telling you, if let me say 1 or 2 put a TV for 35 days, so if you don't fair born them, and they see that charcoal where you don't take side born them again, this one is really be shocking. How they don't take side so long? You come tell me you can't holiday. Now they don't come now, they carry a die, but for take side kind of go. Remove tell you call away for line, we won't give you own contribution. Hello, now they for line. Hello, now they call. Now they for line. I didn't forget you fine. Yeah, now they for line.
Hello.
Yeah, now they call.
Yeah, I'm
Mr. Diodone for Limbe. Go ahead with your contribution, Mr. Diodone.
Yeah, which I want to tell you concerning the complaint for pastor the way they did for church.
Yeah.
And there's so many churches and with different teaching. You don't talk say they preach miracle, they preach deliverance, they preach gospel for multiplication. And one way or the other, it make you the need to be hard working, they believe say miracle money forever. Yeah, we do I want to talk about that position and say you get to know say the God with the servant. Like God will get different ministry. And if you get different ministry, any ministry get the purpose where God assign them. A ministry of the prophet, you get a ministry of the evangelist, you get a ministry of all the pastors. So all those ministries they get their own gift with the performer. It makes the body of the unity of Jesus of Christ.
Yeah.
So it's especially prophet take the position of evangelist. So I want to talk say we will not continue with the blame pastor them, but we will try to see if pastor do not human being like you if you make mistake. But the only thing I will make sure they will begin for advise them, I will make sure they bring this thing down to order. And make people not begin follow the miracle. Make them follow Jesus Christ, because the only thing we get them all the miracles that will perfect the work of God. I will make people know that God they exist, and people will believe for God, and people will make heaven. So when you receive good miracle, you don't make heaven, automatically you will never get anything.
Okay.
So my own contribution that one.
Thank you plenty for your own contribution. We'll tell you that call already for line. Hello, now they for line.
Hello?
Yeah, now they call.
Yeah, now Romeo to me brown from Buddha.
Yes, from Buddha. Go ahead with your own contribution.
Yeah, my contribution. I don't want my hand, I'm not waiting. Okay. They don't check and find, they don't show saying something and them, you never pass to
But I'm my woman, no, even then, you wait today, no.
But they don't check and say, might be, they only blame the evil spirit, when I also say, some money that I want to do, some people put the key that one, and I'm man that I want to.
Now for inside the house, not in a hotel, this is not for the house.
Yeah, but when they don't put the key out of the
Okay, thank you for your own contribution. We don't hear or talk about that side, they won't take it into consideration. Hello, now on the line.
Hello?
Yeah, now the call.
I didn't become a computer.
Denise for Bamena, go ahead with your own contribution.
Yeah, my own contribution, I say, hello?
Yes, go ahead.
My contribution, I say,
will be forced for cut you master the need for take this other call away for line. Hello, now the for line. Okay, Roland, that cause and self take time too much, so we'll take time so control the knack to this time around. We'll take una go time for Yaounde for talk about Alino Oto for that side, alias Okochuku, Nigerian businessman. They can discover their body for inside back in motorway. They don't come beat you for night, kill him, put in a cup that wrap and will close. Why they kill you? No man of you know. Wait till really takes to happen. No man of you know. Now he compound and I might not be from the Cameroon for more than 30 years where they do this paper or business. So the owner nobody come down. The one discover say that body for Ogade that for Bamoto the whole Gardena before they stroke for hour 1 or 2 questions. Wait till really takes happen for night. No man of you talk. Last time for a source for Yaoundé. Now where they on the corner or touch them, their brother they come, they carry the cough, so they go do autopsy for time to find out. Wait till really takes that kill. We just come back from Nigeria. We go enjoy Christmas with the family. I said, man of God, why all this kind of thing will happen now? You go kill your brother. Where you go take the money or don't send and me they go wipe you. All in the sense of making money.
Well, for that case, no feel really talk because every man get for check in life, and people that they do business, and I feel sorry, I feel bad about the situation, and maybe just as we imagine how if it be possible, say they go beat somebody, kill the person, put the person for the backboard for on motor. So it be certain saying that some person or some people that don't do this act, and why they don't go to this extent for do this kind of act. We know if you really tell.
No, wait, because we'll tell you that call away 1 year on contribution. I don't know how to line. I don't know how to call. Timothy, what you fit talk again as young contribution for this kind of way they see way so they can't kill man, throw it for back in motor. Why? Man no. We'll tell you that call away for line. I don't know how to line. I don't know how to call. Okay, Timothy, what do you think as your contribution for the one?
Yes, Mikey, I've one thing I say before this one. For that woman, I want to advise country people then for outside. Maybe not begin use charcoal for bonfire.
For bonfire for this house.
Now that charcoal kill that two couples.
Because that it be very, very dangerous.
Now it kill them, not be different thing. Then now for this Nigerian man, why we not fit today? No, because if you be in a country and the way some people be the enemy and all that
that's what it will happen for business.
All that become money, no be two things. And become money and the key, they not even take their money, they just key. So my brother, the one una there for outside, una know the way una they talk with people there and behavior to the matter. So whether you whether they don't go find out some woman or so will not fit testify or nothing no.
Maybe any man just look over the on life as the 18 takes time happen. We take time enter this one. We take one go time for Southwest region for talk about. I'm gonna go with you of some rumors say this so that Odeshi boys them they want come out for where they keep military people for Manfaith and they enter Southwest for this section for Limbe boy or other one. And you hear that rumor?
I never hear.
You never hear that rumor. You hear that rumor? You hear that rumor no?
I hear.
That room where it make plenty papa that will mommy them they woke up for be a Tuesday morning. Instead for the go their daily activities normally it won't be around 9 10 o'clock. Any man they run go for school and we go take a picking for bring her back to house. Take we go to that side for Southwest so Roland more take side see how serious panic it be there for that side. So for talk about all the things they happen for inside this country. All man study fear, even though Minister of Secondary Education, you don't move them for about 3 principals, they need to get for fire them with all man the wrong the whole Monaco, any man say, oh my picking, they even broke some fence for some school only because they one kind of picking away, security one hole, they say no, maybe when I not come back. It will be so how just because of rumor. Now say this so why people they just believe because businessmen all matter lock their store them, they go hide them for house. Now say businessmen them with the population for Southwest, they know. Now, they don't get confident again for security, for police and gendarme will be the way they did. When they hear rumors, say so you know they can't any man fight with for security. Say, what do you think talk about that kind of rumor where it takes the end of a country?
Well, from the past events and from the past things that they happen in relation to the crisis for the Anglophone territory, if you talk say parents, they know the they not get 100% confidence on our security system, like the police and the forces. And if they hear a rumor like this, they take some measures like that. I think say because they not get that confidence for who own national security, they get right for go like that by themselves.
Go by
take
their
their
own
confidence.
the fear and fear. And Timothy, what do you feel talk about this kind of thing? It takes as it happened for Southwest, the whole zone Limbe, governor. You say them sure they start be confused because parents don't go carry pikin for school. You just see any man they pass. You go say, you never hear. I want to go take my pikin. No, I think talk so that other one don't talk. Never. They use those secret ways. Start from Moyoka, Kumba, Limbe. All man do the fear and they run. Any man they only run for can carry pikin. Go to back for house. Ask and say they don't hear new room. They don't hear room. Eh? This kind of what you feel talk here as information.
For me, that one being a verbal news and a rumors for nothing, to make people panic for nothing. Seeing that they will don't wait, it don't happen, nothing will happen. And where they only treating people say, "Oh, no, send picking our school, they will come born school." Before people start, and when a messages, not the same person can't stand to talk.
Talk.
They only hear, I hear. They want to hear talks. I don't hear. Finally, they know do nothing. Only it been only fear for nothing. As me, I don't see them for day.
Okay, we'll take some 1 or 2 callers and we'll give their own contribution for talk about this country that happen for inside the country. Hello, now they call. Yeah, now they for line.
Yes, Mr. Beckton, I call from Monday.
Yes, we get you one game as your own contribution.
Yes, hello?
Yes, we'll get you.
Mr. Beckton, I call from Monday.
Go ahead with your own contribution.
Alright, I want to talk about that Christians, the way that you want to from church to church. Yes, I want to say Christians, they go for church and receive the word of God. That's a miracle. That is why most Christians are saved. If you go for church for receive miracle money, for receive prayer and deliverance or whatever, when you don't believe for the God, when you go for whatever, it will always fail you. That is why I see all these mysterious things that happen with people all over the world. People should go to church to receive the word of God, and I want the word of God to deliver them.
Okay, thank you for your own contribution. I don't know the for line.
Hello?
Yeah, now they call.
Yeah, that's brilliant.
Did you call for side?
I'm going to swear.
Yes.
From swear.
Go ahead with your own contribution.
The little contribution I get and see, I will say the instead of the military will protect the citizens, the military instead go against the neutralize the citizens. I think it be unfair for the military will do that thing. Because of the harmful of terrorism, the environment, they don't see all man will bear the consequence of that. So there's a little contribution that I want to pay.
Okay, thank you for your own contribution for that type of way. I don't know the for line. Hello? Because Roland just bring with email for that side for Kwakwa village, for that side for Monge, with this so inhabitant for that side. Team we put for Kembong village, they face some inhabitant for Kwakwa village. They don't face away. Their house they be burned down, business place they be burned down. All use they don't run for village, go hide now for bush. People they cry, people they some people don't even confused now. Wait till they go on for that side. People don't understand. If honestly they so Romo too will take side enter that say that audition boy them they don't enter that side for Kwakwa village, they will get serious gunshot in between them and military, and some military people don't lost their life, even though plenty civilian and two for that side they don't lost their life. One day we will it so they want burn house where it never be legal, they want burn house some mommy they don't die inside some part they don't die because time when you they come on they run part they don't come on run because of them they only remain for village. See because they want to go that side of Kwakwa village, but now military now as we get to report for that side so I'm saying the military they don't put fire for some houses there for that because they accuse the military even for Kwakwa village they say accuse it so the military it takes a bit. Man of God, what if you make me military man he go they put fire for civilian house for this image so it takes us here.
Now confusion. Now when the military don't know which way they're supposed to do like for protect the people then or the civilians or the citizens. Now when they don't know, when they never teach them this, they go be confused they go dey do the wrong things
lack of
like
knowledge
that.
means they don't know
Yes,
what
or they don't give them wrong instructions because if be sat for years, the military go set fire people their houses. Then now who then now they want protect them. So now this still I talk about parents them no get 100% confidence again for the military or for the security system. Now whether when they hear a rumor like that, they say they take the responsibility, they go withdraw their picking from school, they go like that because many of the schools they don't be protected or be guarded by military officers. Some of them don't be burnt down, and the parents they know about this. So, but
we'll take some 1 or 2 callers and give their own contribution for talk about this image. They take their 2 correct signal. I don't know how to call. I don't know how to line. Yeah, now the call. Yes, Joe for Limbe. What you want to get as your contribution? Then we have called their sound quality, no, they find so pornography here for house. So I'm going to take another call. I don't know how to call. God love for Kumba. What you want to get as your contribution?
My contribution concerning that Palama Church, you know, say, normally on a Sunday give of government, for my skin, what I do is give of this Palama Digon. The thing on them are going to say, give us discover your own thing, we won't get up for God before you take plenty. If you don't discover, I don't go up plenty. On the Palama, they give for Papa now, so now confession will harm them because even the person do not confuse how we go solve the problem for the country. So how them to know money confused. So we don't need the land going to give on the phone of God in hand. When I go for Papa, was sorry, speaking the day, he go hell away for.
Okay, thank you. We'll take another call. I don't know the line. Yeah, now the call. I don't know the line. We'll take it all call away for line. One give on contribution on the call. They can't phone the joke confused which one. We'll take it. I don't know the line. Yes. Yes, what you want to get my own contribution?
Yes. That houses where they burn themselves. The military, some of these bandits who they burn those houses, like criminals who they some of them they don't go to prison. So that 10 criminals they have military. And the government going to see about this very individuals who and taking them seriously. Some of them are just the last resort. Military. And because of this, government to see about the individual because the money is put away. The outside where we get bad protection about the government, whereas like individuals who take that into the military, they do all these assets. And some of them they do not only those houses, they loot. They keep a lot of good. So, parents of those schools, the ones that don't have talk about some of them that they build those schools. So, bad against the military.
Okay.
Bad
egg day inside military, government need for handle and seriously for something they work up. I will tell you a call for line. I don't know the line.
Hello?
Yeah, now the call.
Yeah,
Yes, Mr. Jodo, they go ahead.
I want to be now, but I'm going to people to run for school. I think my home is to be able to that is what I run.
Yeah.
So when you are one time or somebody and say, you know, there's something at home. So you should say we don't see that happen, but one family we don't go on so. You know, something at home too. Yeah. So when people they say we hear, if they don't hear something that happen, they start because they don't help them here. So I want to drive for continuity. Let me see me the possibility we make peace in the way the people will not be able to learn the money that give answer with God. You never deal with the God. So when you put it around with the God, automatically the beginning from both the company or wrong because you never see that kind of test of the God. Only that proves the way when I said the fighting begins. So when the JP room was the most wrong. So it just feels like we are here on the wrong stuff from principal. People say how we do HIV. The instead of able to cure HIV, go to cure malaria when HIV comes up. So you could see that HIV will still do better than malaria. So when you do something we will let all people take camp so that when people be able to know what is here. And say because that panic. So Because any man with me, now every situation will be the end of one people on their back when I put you more still you go on. Then at the end. So my own contribution to that thing local and in a room. The new thing to get problem over to cover.
Thank you for your own contribution for that side for Limbe. Who takes I take another call already for line before Pastor Iwan get on that talk? I don't know how to call.
Hello.
Yeah, now they for line.
Mr.
Evans Obunabere, go ahead with your own contribution.
Yes, I want to talk about that room of the half of the damage.
Yes.
Yes, I want to say that the talk now are a bit confused. Because sometimes we don't give deal for mountain. The signs of book say, we don't talk to people when they come up with out of mountain. Governor of Southwest talks in Aromos. And finally, all we will know what will happen for mountain. Now we will talk in Aromos for Southwest. We don't say the rumors when they come in and true. And if they are beginning when they go for school. But we are like school. Yeah. Then secondly, I want to talk about that fire where it happened when they go and go were blazing there. Yeah. Just that part of the Cameroon and they go and come. We don't say last year, we school to answer. They go school for second half of Amanda. Yeah. Okay. That means people when they get that school. All we will be confused with that and with the bonus. But now so when they show for the Dentena, people when they go now. I don't know whether we go now whether it really happened. We our government take care of this problem. Now our country, we never say people they go protect people them, they need to go on their bond. I would say as civil and them people get confidence to do with them. I beg, we are Minister of Defense, we depend in affect our country. Let the plan to give comfort to people them for that side. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Penny, for your own contribution. Nolan, takes time this time and I'm going to continue to talk about Palava Fire. The cousin said they just plenty. More continue to talk about. Take we go to that fire from Konsamba 2, where they so 3 carbon houses them they burn to ashes. Wait to be the cause. They only talk to so na Palava current Palava burning of houses left and right. So every day, if never pass 1 week to 2 days, so they say and you fire don't burn house for Yaoundé and your fire don't burn house for Bamenda and this night again for Bamenda. So another fire not for back market day for Bamenda. So when they come for money for bring the image and for that side for Bamenda, how is this strong for gather and for better way? Why be say they complain on NU but government never ever knock hand for down say NU wanna try for look out for our people that properties. What you figure about some contribution? See how they put in the move as they move and so they go keep and one run they go move to other house and that bad boy the two they don't help them to go keep up go secure up for their own place. They want come and say, but what I go put them when not so no near no don't carry go. What do you talk about one?
Like when you see accident where they happen and incident where they happen concerning fire, now you know the cause. But they not ever compensate no person. And government not ever turn on nothing. And until it multiply the goal. And
when until they compensate in those days for the 90s, 80s, they will you go and Sonel be that time Sonel be compensate. When you can't say they don't blow your trees, they compensate you.
But now you know they so again. Whether we go na back or na front or no again.
We don't confuse for chapter for this one. So another fire too where it takes time so casual. Like just bring the other image fire for Douala for Bunamusa this school where this so social media belong to this one university for Douala but na university but no been a university for government. This school for Bunamusa the na so fire institute university USA where it takes time it burn for that side where people for that side talk to this so they want come over for school largely you know they want there for night. Time when light come back, spark the time boom outside. So why if BC government if it try for knock hand for down for implement for make for the people to understand that her generator them now because if they do serious finding and study they will know why and your light in give for the bone why be say low voltage be small time it come with power small time you don't go straight bomb the fish shine small time it don't come with power. So what if you tell government concerning this thing the way it happen for our country?
Well, government get the powers for impose the condition the way you want to see me this company operate. Yes. And government too get the power for maybe deploy agent the way they fit work alongside with this company for check whether all that thing the way they supposed to implement So I think say the company they really fail because thing the way they get for rectify they neglect and they concentrate only on maybe monthly bills.
Money bill, all the one. We'll take some 1 or 2 callers. They will give their own contribution for talk about this thing. It happen for inside the country. I don't know how they for line. I don't know how they call. I don't know how they call. Brother Ayan for Kumba, what you want to give us your own contribution? We will brief us for call you because when you want call, not listen it through your TV, listen it through your phone, it will be in the more complicated. I don't know how they for line. Yeah, now they call. John for Munyenge, what you want to give us your own contribution, John for Munyenge? Go ahead, John. Chief of Munyenge don't run too.
Yes, all man to the party with chief. People don't run. Yes, because don't man.
Okay, thank you for your own contribution for that side for Munyenge. Okay. Okay, thank you for your own contribution. I don't know the line.
Hello.
Yeah, I don't know the call.
Yes, I'm
Gabriel, the call for sign.
I call for Baranda for Baranda.
What you want to give us your own contribution? Yes. Okay. Okay, thank you for your contribution. Come for that side, so Masarolan, take side this time around. Can we bring a move come for that Palava fire for that side for take side go for this other side for Esenge for talk about house they take side in broke and for put them the first type of broke house them for this side for market for Bunamusadi. People business people they sell, they don't come here, they don't pay their tax, then council don't come, they collect money, for dollar five, you don't collect all small money for tax. Now community event, you don't come mark the place, so when I get small short time, 1 month for prepare pack go because me, I want can use that place for make road for field way to go for that type of Budamusadi. They come broke for night. And the way kind of a night. Why question we put it on the other so they can't broke people that property, broke business people that attack with them, destroy and chop, close, all that kind of thing them, they burn them, they broke them. People they can't pick na half thing them for night. Why it be so community event, you know if you work for way, they come so with caterpillar for broad daylight with so all Monday market, talk say so when I get 2 hours or 1 hour for park when I think and come out, me we broke up. They the only kind of a night broke all people that think destroy people that property we don't broke up on Marché Central, Marché Kululu, broke up several places. What if you tell government delegate for Douala Urban Council concerning this actually the broke place of night?
One for talk say the authority then just get for be careful, may they not over provoke the people, then push the people to the walls because when the people that will react, it will be difficult even for
calm them. Yes. Because they can't destroy people that properties that for night broken. After you know say you know whole Pekin, you tell Pekin say me carry hot water on top of the bunny, then you take it again, you beat it under if you know say if that water throw if you want to leave that cup, it's way you know you go bunny, you go and your skin go peel. Then you come down for night, you don't tell man say pack come off my land. I want can use that land. Yes, now government get all land. If government tell you say move park for this way now come on, go for the park, come on. But if you don't tell people say park come on, in some time you fit come after 1 month or 2 months. So that they talk government to say when I park come on, that park come on, that they not 2 years. They know come. You know so no. So my thing is so where if you park come on now government no come because they didn't know tell if you come. They say in a you go love going on getting for the feed with the family. We feed them for the money. They will have one count. Una make paper then come and say today this date we broke this place. So let me put a little bit aware, but if you can't broke place, broke too much. What if you tell government delegate about this particular broken house?
Well, I advise you I think government delegate and say they not support broke places now for night. When they broke for night, so it is shown a different thing. When you broke person it be again low. You know, if you can, even you be landlord, you know, if you come
broke my house
where you know day. So at least for daytime, give people 2 hours, 3 hours on a pack.
On a pack, come on,
Yeah.
move broke
Maybe
house.
for night. When you go for night, so people they pick their thing, they go. All that one. you
No,
don't set
Chief, I
people
don't
confusion.
people they don't come confusion. You don't know whether this thing is on a neighbor or the one. Now the very thing way for this side for Esenge, they take time even though not poor autonomous for dollar so they want to take over their land. We put a build big house there for them. Let's go get email for that for poor autonomous. They broke house to them, bring it all down. Caterpillar too, you know, as nature the catch man Caterpillar we kind of broke house. Caterpillar now enter too for some side for some more. It tight for them. So the other house then so they just stand up for up. They see when I say make another Caterpillar can't draw the other Caterpillar. Don't time for more move on before the other previous success for move that camp and they can't wish time for night 4 o'clock for night we put it to sleep. You hear they don't know boom boom boom. When I come out to Caterpillar as you want come out they start broke palo boo boo. You feel come out with shock tension. Some man feel fall collapse. Some man feel get a stroke. Some man feel get a SCADA system for broke house that be the best. The people need to resist with government yes because the government get the military they get everything they feel suppress the population. But this means when they use them that only for become broke put the house for night. SCADA not the best way it's so for take and for manage this crisis.
Maybe the best way.
See, I like Caterpillar don't go tight for what see. Don't go enter for month because they can't for broke now for night. If not for daytime, maybe for even season, no, they play this so or for month the people who work out they glad they say at least it will give them small time for even move that 1 2 zing, move that property then quietly for go and for another area.
When they mention our set confusion for the population, and especially Douala confusion too much for Douala.
Confusion too much. Palava confusion way too much. Land carry we move go time for take we go to that's for Jakuma for talk about Palava image way people the brother for Jakuma pa them they come on match for say some one senator you don't kind of when any man they find post for Cameroon here we ready for up now only for find post for became no say if blogging man you don't come people don't buy people Jakuma put them they leave them quiet you don't buy the camp for that side, they go camp for back, make land title for people that applaud them, go camp bring some man still at cinema, boom, the man get the place, set that for Jakuma, don't come on the mag, they say so they believe for that their village, quiet, they don't get in trouble. The man don't come now, they bring a serious confusion for that side because people for that side, they don't get their land time, but they don't say so now cheap to give me the land, they want my own land for this side, they want my own land, so they leave them for that side harmony, but now one man don't come on, they bring this order for the whole village because they so you don't get paper, you like you don't be after the plot, it comes if you want season for you the season. So why if they carry the whole this plan again for one man say na enter you go do it with them. If they carry money to a floor you go do it with that money.
The man they waste the time and the man don't I say he don't confuse because if he stay for this whole world alone, he no fit ever gain that happiness and that satisfaction where the people they around you feel.
Because you see some man they drive with his small motorway, he buy him 500,000, 800,000. He be very very happy with the family. But you see some man when he don't buy motor 50 million, he drive motor with the best comfort, but stress they can't kill. So why you would fight for getting a lot of money where you know if you manage your own small life? More take side land for that side for Bolova for talk about 40 people them way they so Jandan then they take side put hand for them for that side with their own work now for work at tea for daytime. They be specialized for tea for daytime. Time when I come on they go work, the right time they go for operate. They come on a house, get the house, they don't tie when I carry and move all right, don't forget email for that side for Ebola for talk about Palava teach people for that side way, they don't take side, they do this better work, but even though police they which are not they only will do it to say so 9 days we don't catch and we show now when I see no now then this so we send them for before for Monsieur le Procureur, he like they go now they move them for that side, or he like they come on for prison, oh now only now only them know, say them too they already do their own work, police they say they already do their own work. Me population don't blame them, but they say so. Me population they only get confidence for them when they see them. Me they communicate with them after way. This will be good tips from. They ever do this zero work? Not tell them tips from big man no. Tell them go tips from big man. Take gun, take cap. They say so. When I do nothing. I want that gun. We do one now. They will put them outside. They don't do their work. They catch this one. Roland, so bring we image for that side. So for Palava people them turn 2 pastors them for that side for Yaoundé. With the day also for Jana the hand and that 2 young boy them 34 and 32 years old people them. They run a Patrick and they run a Olomo where they take side their own work. There is C pass to them. But when I famine them. So when they see you, they start prophesy, talk kind thing them, so they don't knock people, they don't chop money for people and for young, so they don't lay complain them, talk kind thing. Where they use na medicine or they do na kind thing for fraud people to take money, so that in that way they don't phone up for example, gendarme they have for that side for Zoa, where they so after serious complaint inhabitants for that side they don't level they complain them for leave for them. Now way gendarme they don't start do follow up stay. They don't call, one man don't call and I call and so they need prayer. The other one time they don't enter now for start do that work. We don't can hold some man take you 120,000 so they want prophesy for you, they want deliver you for come back and thing. Well man of God, what did happen for country no?
Well, now that confusion where people they don't even know why they serve God, and you get a lot of people where they envy pastors, they admire pastors, they not be willing for work and see, may God bless them, and they deserve or they engage because they want take advantage of people that they be desperate, extort their money. Yes, so most of such one they end up being fake pastors or fake prophets, and they really manipulate the population, and their main aim not be for serve God but for make money. Yes.
And okay, man of God, just tell me time don't Alaska was run the signal for Bible study, so with time don't finish. Who say your ministry today and how you do your activity? Way you would get you so you do voluntary work, you go orphanage, help the people. How you would do other one and who say if you do meet up you?
Okay, I'll be Pastor Joshua Chum of United Christian Assembly. We there for Block Excellence, Rhine Double neighborhood, and we lead also a humanitarian movement. We did like the humanitarian arm of the church, Help Extension Group, and we get our office for Block Excellence, Bonaberry Double neighborhood. Anybody fit contact we and fit meet we. Meet we for the and. We lead a united mission, like I said, United Christian Assembly. We acknowledge all the Christians all over the world, and we believe, say, all we get now one God, and one Spirit, one faith, one baptism. And we help Christians therefore discover, say, they're not supposed for the fight with other Christians. Yes, and say, all we get for stand for which way Jesus stand for, and stand against which way Jesus stand against.
Okay, tell me, if you tell us one or two people before they watch you now so far house.
Wow, I really want bless my wife way to follow the program, and all the Christians the way they follow this program, and all the people the way they really be willing for be a genuine good people of God. So I salute all of una. I want to tell una say, make una no panic and make una no fear the evil way it seems to dominate our generation. Jesus be very available, and he dey right inside of you, and greater is he who is in you than he all that is.
For the time Tache, if you salute one or two people them, before one pack go back and go because time don't catch you.
Tache Donga Manton, this title fund for Donga Manton give me for the good job way.
We don't do
for the now why that they give me that title. So I salute my woman we for Bausan where they watch this program now. I salute to Mayor for Uku, Mayor for Mwan, Mayor for Ndu, Mayor for Ako. Then at the top say former SDO for Bui, Zeki Tiofi get Thanksgiving service for Chang. For Pia for Saturday. Then the honorable, we don't lost big man for Dongaman to honorable and 12 for Apple. The way keeping will be on the first match. Then burial will be for Apple on the 3rd March 2018. So with the talk condolence for the delayed family for honorable and 12. Then Nami, I go down for Cameroon. Nami, I be general president for Changi family meeting for long. So I did the logo for picking them. So that we'll get the general assembly on the 12th February for long. This February we'll get that for long. So then I want to salute Pascal for Taba with the YUE joined by Mindab, John Madu with the YUE, Andrew from Huawei, the YV now. Then Ali Salo Gonga NS2 for Yaoundé way, the YV. Salo Boba Franklin way, the YV for Makinenena.
Yes.
Then Sander Attorney way, the Buyana, the YV live.
Okay, they play the just
They
you will not cause of my name and also time don't alert me. Any idea contribute. You will miss this program now for evening again from 9 o'clock. If you get this very program again for achieve on a like and plenty calendar English. If you miss and today evening, tomorrow when I Sunday time with the rest for evening, you fit to get the very program when you rewatch and you enjoy for better. If not, I will come back shortly for Monday again for bring one to the strike where it takes they go on for that side for Shanghai never work at them the series so they want me to pay their do or secretly a new guy need to do better but they go bring an order to do for Monday for PG News time then for 10 o'clock for morning time and the one for 1 o'clock so go check out for better if not that thing number they for on screen you fit send me to do for the anything you share the vex with the hot you send me any to do way you take such and so you want me the whole world you know if not I don't go so for tomorrow again.